Hello again, Brigshaw historians. Quite a few people have been emailing us over the last couple of days saying they're having a couple of problems uploading their work to Google Classroom, especially for a few people who don't have access for computers at home or people who'd rather complete their work on paper and send that in to us. So what I've done here is I've made just a short video to show you how you can still submit your work to Google Classroom if it's on paper. Now the first thing you need to do is download the Google Classroom app. You can see on the side just here, My Phone. You can see what the app looks like. You can download it off the Apple App Store if you've got an iPhone or an iPad, or you can download it off the Google Play Store if you've got an Android phone or tablet. If you haven't downloaded that app yet, can you just please pause the video now and go and download it? Brilliant. Now once you've got the app downloaded, if you just click the app to open it, when you open it, you should see a screen that looks like this, which will have all of your classes on. I know a few subjects are using Google Classroom, so you might see a few. In the top corner, you can see those three lines. You can see them here next to the yellow arrow. If you click those three lines, you'll then see a list of all your different classes. Now, the example class is the one I'm going to show you, but for you, it'll have your class code, your history teacher's name, and the word history. So if you click your history class, then at the very bottom, if you click the button where it says classwork, that will give you all the lessons you've been set. So this one I'm going to click Year 7 Lesson 1, but that will have your year group and the number of lesson for you. If you click that, it'll give you the summary of what lesson, and at the bottom it says your work. You need to click your work, and it will take you to this page. Now this is a bit where you can now upload your work to the assignment. So you need to click Add Attachment. Now you can then click Use Camera to take a picture of your work. So if you click Use Camera, it will load up the camera on your phone or your tablet. You can then take a picture of that work. Here I'm using an example of some notes I made on a Year 12 lesson the other day. So you take a picture of your work. You'll then have a loading screen. It'll take a couple of seconds where it'll just upload that picture to Google Classroom. And then you'll see the picture's been added. Now if you've done your work on a few different pieces of paper, you can add an attachment for each piece of paper. So by clicking Add Attachment again, you'll be able to take more pictures of the rest of the work you've done. Once you've uploaded all the pictures of your work, you then just click Hand In, click Hand In again, and there it is. Your work will be submitted. Now, if you notice you've forgotten to upload a piece of paper or you want to make any changes, you can click Unsubmit, and it'll give the option to upload and attach more pieces of work. But it's really that straightforward, it's really that easy. So, if over the next coming weeks you would rather do your work on paper, or if you don't have access to a computer, then if you follow these simple instructions, you'll be able to upload your work by taking pictures of it, and your teacher will still be able to give you feedback, just like they are for the students who are completing it online. As always, if you have any problems, any concerns, please don't hesitate to email your history teacher directly and they'll do their very best to help you. Thanks.